Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt here with Green Bar Trading. It has been a long time since I've made a video. I haven't had the time, but now I'm going to start to have some more time available to make some of these videos for you guys. There's also a lot of comments that I have not responded to yet that I will start to respond to later today and more this week. But again, I haven't traded in a long time. I have been popping in and out of the market to see what the overall market was doing, more so with SPY and QQQ, following Bitcoin and all that other stuff. As far as the stocks that we love to trade here on the channel, which is all these really micro cap, small cap stocks that make big moves based on catalysts, really looking at the patterns of the candlesticks. I use the 1 minute chart on top and the 5 minute chart on the bottom. I find that this is the best way to do it for me. Everybody can have different preferences. I also have that yellow dotted line here on the screen. That's the VWAP, volume weighted average price. Over it is showing a lot of strength. Anything under it is showing some weakness, okay? So that's a good thing to have up on your charts. I have the 9 EMA in the blue there as well. All right. So what did I see this morning? I saw this stock PHIO. It was hitting the scanners, which we have up there on the left. And, really great catalyst. The float was good. We could go over and take a look at that. I have here the float at about 5 million shares, which is really good. So we love that. It also had the catalyst here at 7:49. It came out. Some nice 100% tumor clearance in final dose, skin cancer. This is all good. So you had your float, which is low. You have your catalyst. Now, what are we looking at next? At least for me. So when I see this popping up, I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger for you guys to see. I'm looking at the patterns now on when to get in and when to get out. Again, this is on the 1 minute chart. I'm looking at it. It's over VWAP. Volumes coming in. We can see here some nice big green bars here. So what do I do here? I don't chase right here. I waited for the first 1 minute pullback and then got in at a good price and then took that next 1 minute bar up and then sold out. All right. Really quick trade, about a minute long, maybe less than that. But this was good. So you wait for the 1 minute pullback and then you get in. Now, there was something else that I was looking at here. The 5 minute chart. All right. On the 5 minute chart here, let's just make this bigger here too. Okay. On the 5 minute chart, we were extended. So I was getting into the 5 minute chart, extended already knowing that, but I had the 1 minute pullback on the 1 minute chart. So this was going to have to be an in and out really quickly for me. Take the profit, and then you can wait for that next setup, which is that 5 minutes. So you had 5, 10, 15 minutes here of nice big green bars for the 5 minute. Normally, a stock will then pull back on the 5 minute chart. So that's exactly what happened here and really showed some really nice trades. So this is a good trade here, right? 5 minute pullback, first 5 minute candle to make that new high over VWAP. That's a solid trade there. And then it just kept doing that, okay? Really solid technical analysis on this stock. As you can see, it broke out, pulled back to VWAP, consolidated a little bit, waited for more 5 minute confirmations, and then gave some more moves along the way. All right, this was nice. Little stair step higher and higher. And then, once it hit 475, started to pull back, which is normal, right? It's not just going to stair step forever and ever. This is good. Nice pullback on the 1 minute. We got in, got out, made $82 in really less than a minute. And these are the things that I was looking at. Don't forget that 5 minute chart. It's really, really important. So, again, float was great. I like anything under 10 million shares on float can really see some good moves. When you pair that with a ton of volume, you're going to have a lot of demand and very small supply, which will create really some of these over 100% moves which is what I like to trade. All right. You had your news catalyst as well. So everything was working good. Nice price. You can buy a lot of shares if you want. It was only $3.40. So this was all hitting every one of my criteria. It was on the top of the scanner in the morning. So again, a good trade. This is what I look at. I hope that you guys can learn a thing or two about these videos. I've been doing this for a long time, so I know what to look for. It's just a matter of getting the time to be able to focus on it. All right. So again, 1 minute pullback, got in, got out, watched the 5 minute chart, knew it was extended, wanted to make sure I got in and out on this candle right here, worked out perfectly. And then it sets up for more 5 minute moves here. And you can see it on these nice stair steps. So that's it. PHIO, $82. Gave us the opportunity. We took it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.